welcome to my second video here from the Isle of Man. And this time, I'm at the Isle of Man Steam Railway. As you can see, the beautiful station building in the background. Now, this is a narrow gauge steam railway, which is 15.5 miles long, so a decent run. Today, we're going to be visiting this lovely line for a full round trip. I will be stopping at one of the intermediate stations, Castletown. That's where the trains pass. We'll have a look at that, and I'm going to have a little explore around Castletown to see what it has to offer. And then I'll be continuing my journey down to Port Erin. So please come along with me as I visit the Isle of Man Steam Railway for the first time. The weather it's okay. It's a bit windy, and we got showers today, but I can put up with that. So come along with me as I visit the Isle of Man Steam Railway for the first time. Let's go. today we are here at the really rather beautiful Castletown railway station. I hope you enjoyed that first part of the journey. Really lovely scenery, and the train did get up to quite some speed, which kind of surprised me a little bit. But there we go, it was a really nice run. So I now got 2 hours here to explore Castletown. I will show you the station and the other trains coming in and out. So I'm going to go now and enjoy the Castletown and walk down to the seafront. I hope you're enjoying my visit to the Isle of Man Steam Railway so far. Really well worth a visit, isn't it? So join me back here a bit later, where I continue my journey down to Port Erin. So here we go then, leaving Castletown for the rest of the outward journey to Port Erin. A lot closer to the front of the train this time. Here we go. Made it here to Port Erin. I'm actually doing this little bit a bit later on because the platform was so busy after the train I've got off. But what a lovely place Port Erin really is. So now I'm going to stay here for a couple of hours, or up to 4 hours, go and have an explore of the town. I might show you some of the scenery because I think it's going to be well worth a little shot. And then we're going to come back here and join this train for the return trip back to Douglas. I won't film a huge amount on the way back just because it's the same journey, but yeah, what a lovely place this is. just a short walk from the station here at Port Erin is this lovely museum. This is definitely well worth a visit, and it is free to enter and has a lovely gift shop. We got some locomotives in here that are not currently in operation on the line. These two are really looking smart. There's plenty of stuff to see in here with plenty of information about the line. You even got a TV playing videos from this line and others around the Isle of Man. If we just go up this set of steps, we can get a really nice close-up of the cab of this particular locomotive. Always nice to see inside and all the controls. And as I pan round, you can see all the other exhibits here with coaches and wagons. Really well worth a visit. Lovely little place.
Where legends are once made. Isle of Man, the extraordinary story.
I did consider myself what is called.
Just thought I'd show you a little bit of Port Erin scenery here. Literally 2-minute walk from the railway station. The weather's definitely closing in, but you can see how lovely this place is. I'm not sure if you can hear me because it is very windy. Really struggling to keep the camera still here, but I did go over there. I walked right out to the point by there. A little bit sketchy in places, but well worth it. Got some lovely pictures. So let's get back to the railway station and catch our train back to Douglas. Oh, so windy here. Back on the train now here at Port Erin, and I've got this compartment all to myself. Very luxury. I really enjoyed my stay here at Port Erin. I got myself a coffee because I needed that after all that walking and hiking I did. I showed you a really small snippet of the scenery here. It's 100% worth coming, even if you're not into the railways. Isle of Man, it surprised me so much how nice it is here for a visit. We can leave here now and go back to Douglas. I'm not going to film too much because you've seen the journey outwards. So let's get going and get back to Douglas. Back here at Douglas. What a fantastic day out that really was here on the Isle of Man Railway. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you really enjoyed coming along the ride on this railway. First ever visit, as you know. Really well worth it. Very good value for money. Great scenery. What more could you want? So now I'm just walking now back to my B&B for my sort of third night here, I think it is. And hopefully we do have another video coming after this one from the Isle of Man. I'm not sure. It depends on what that weather's doing. It's not supposed to be good. So thank you very much for joining me here at the Isle of Man Steam Railway. And I'll be back with loads more railway content for you very soon. Bye, everyone.